So we go cook some?
Yes.
Let's go cook some.
Let's go cook.
Okay, so this is for the rub
Okay, are
within
you
the
going
belly
to put
pork.
salt in there?
Yeah, so
How
it will be
many?
one
A lot.
1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of
That's sugar.
no, that's MSG, half a teaspoon of MSG,
MSG.
half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of
And I
five
brought
spice
it
powder.
here. If you're
And then if you mix those up,
right here,
yeah,
where I'm pointing at.
yeah.
Like,
No, it's not going in there. So this will be for the rub
this looks
with
like
the belly pork.
sand.
2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and about
Is that
yay much
honey?
half a teaspoon of sesame oil. 1,
Is that flour?
no, that's sugar.
Oh.
2,
I thought it was flour.
yeah, 2 tablespoons of sugar,
Salt.
white pepper,
White pepper?
yep, and also
Why is it called white pepper?
because it is a pinch of 5 spice powder, not too much.
Why is spice?
Around half a cup of water, warm water into this, and that's it. Okay, so I've got this nice piece of belly pork from Tesco's yesterday. As soon as I come home, unpack it out of the packet and just leave it in the fridge because I didn't have time to do it. So on the back side, you want to slice it into inch thick like that, just halfway down. And in the front side, we need to go in with one of these. I'll link it below. This part right here, you need to really take your time and make as much whole as you can. I normally go over it about 5 times. So some crispy pork, you get the crispiness on top and then the hardness at the bottom here. That's when they haven't done it properly. But if you take your time and go through this stage here properly, I guarantee it will crack in so nice. So yes, 5 times minimum. Thick part right here, I tend to give more attention to that and go to the whiter bits at the end here is quite soft, so pretty easy. But where the thick bit of the skin is, give it a lot more of attention. Right, I think that should do the trick. Right, once that's done, plenty of salt. Then in this bowl here, I have a little bit of brown vinegar. You can use white vinegar or lemon. Right, get your hands into here and keep rubbing that. The salt will draw out the moisture, and the vinegar will give that lovely crispiness. Right, so that should be fine there. On the reverse side, made them slits 1 inch cuts into there like so. So just sprinkle it over like so. Okay, and just get your hand and make sure you get it into all the cuts that we've made here. Be a bit generous with the salt because with the mixture. Like so. This probably needs a little bit more here. The thicker part. So yeah, that will do it perfectly there. That little more rub there. Now you see that it start drawing out moisture already. That's it, and rest it like that in the fridge overnight. When you have a little pool bits over here, just a little bit of foil, roll it up and stick it underneath, so make sure that all the moisture will run off of it. So yeah, crunch this up, stick it in the middle like that, lay that on top. So what that does there is you won't have any pool of moisture, then everything will just run off of it then, like so. Stick that in the fridge, leave it overnight, at least 24 hours until the skin all dried up, like so. Okay, so this has been 24 hours in the fridge. You can see it's dry up these parts here. Some of it are still a little bit wet. Don't worry about that, the majority of it is done. So what we're going to do now is wrap this in a foil bolt and then add some salt on top. That should do it. Okay, this part here, we're going to dehydrate it even more in the oven, so 30 minutes. So you want around this much salt on it. Okay, so we're gonna wrap it on the tray here, like that. Can you set the alarm for 30 minutes, please? 30, yeah. It's just been over 30 minutes, and we're gonna take this out. Remove all the salt and then put it back in again. Knife, just remove all this salt out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. And then we're going to make another foil to put this in. Once we've done that, we're going to brush the skin with a bit of oil, like so. Okay, and I think that should do it. Now turn your oven right up to, mine goes up to about 400, so be careful where you're going, but I wouldn't go any more past 400. Okay, so it's been just over 30 minutes. I've opened up to double check at 25 minutes in, and this is the stage it's at the moment. That's lovely and crispy. Straight to there. Wow. Have a listen to that. Now we just turn it to the side. I hope you can see that. That's good. If you would go to Chinatown and ask for Siu Yuk fan, this is what you'll be getting. Just dribble the sauce that we made earlier on the meat side only.